Hey Stampers, Diane Dimich here with DDStamps.com, and today I'm here to share with you my paper pumpkin that I received this week. Paper pumpkin is a kit that's a monthly subscription that you sign up for. There's different ways you can sign up for it. You can either get it by the month, or you can go ahead and purchase a prepaid subscription for it, and that comes like 3, 6, 9, and 12 months, I believe. So anyway, paper pumpkin is a great little opportunity for me. It's projects that I haven't planned that I just get to stamp for fun. And that's kind of how I've used it over the last few years. So I'm going to go ahead and turn my camera and let's get started. So paper pumpkin comes each month, and it usually comes in these cute little boxes. Sometimes they're decorated for whatever the month might be. Like Easter, the Easter kit was a cute box with Easter. It comes with a stamp set. And this one has butterflies. I don't know if you can, oh yeah, you can see those. And it says, sending loving thoughts your way. Everything will be okay. Surrounding you with love. I love this stamp set. Just because it has some great sentiments. And then you always get an ink spot. This one is basic gray, which I don't normally use because if I have the ink in a big pad, I usually pull that out and use it and save those spots for, oh, if I'm going to do a project like Boys and Girls Club or one of those places, I can just bring those and the kids can have fun with them. All right, and so here's the kit. Let me grab a scissor here and get it opened up. It looks like it's lots of foil butterflies. And so here's your adhesives. We're getting sticky strip this time and dimensionals. Comes with envelopes. So those are pretty. They're envelopes. So this one has 9 cards, but those envelopes are foiled butterflies. Oh yeah, you can see them kind of sparkling. And then here are your bases. So we get 3 with the foil bases, 3 with these are all foiled. Those 3 have spots. Oh, there's some product in there. I'm just going to set these aside for now. And then these bases. And so, of course, you have options with your paper pumpkin. If you want, use some more foil bases. You know, you could cut these apart and make extra cards, but I'm not going to probably do that this time around because I actually do need some of these Thinking of You cards this week. Oh, it's really a pretty kit. These big butterflies. So then you get die cuts, and I've got some labels here. I think there's 2 sheets, and then some foil, some more foil butterflies, and then a whole sheet of little tiny butterflies. So I haven't even looked to see what the cards are this time around. These are adhesive dots that come with it. So all your adhesives, everything comes with it. Some foil cardstock, some more. These are for layering. Very pretty. And some more foils for laying. So the first time you get a kit, you will end up with a block with it. Looks like this. The block comes in with your first kit, and then after that, you don't get a block. You just get the kit. And it also comes with instructions, which are right here. And oh, this is new too this time around. So now they give us this little sheet so you can actually see what the stamp set is, the images on the stamp set. So I usually fold these. When I'm done, I tuck this down inside there, and then I know which stamp set is in there. But there you can actually see the images that come with the set. All right. So you get your instructions. These 3 are very pretty cards. And the instructions basically walk you right through it. And so here is where they tell you each card and what it takes for supplies. Oh, got it upside down. So card number 1, card number 2, card number 3, so you know what supplies you're going to need. And then on the inside, it's step-by-step pictures, even telling you exactly where to put your adhesive. So these would be dimensionals, and this would be sticky strip and dimensionals. And then over here are the little adhesive dots that are used on those little tiny butterflies. So anyway, I'm going to run through and make one of each card just for the fun of it. So I'm going to need this and one of these. And this butterfly. So this is pretty. This is a die cut that you actually open up and fold. You can see the leaves. So it just gives you a little bit of dimension. That's really pretty. So I'm going to flip that over, come in with my dimensionals, putting them in the, oh, it looks like this was sticky strip. Never mind. We're going to put the foil. We're going to put the dimensionals on here. And then the sticky strip. It's going to go in this one. All right, so here's your card base. That is really so pretty. And then we're going to put this piece of gold cardstock on here as a layer. And then we're going to pull the sticky strip on this one. And really, this is like the simplest card ever. And it already has in gold, "I'm always here for you." And just make sure that your wings are up a little bit. Pretty. Very fast and easy card. Sometimes that's what we need in our life. It's just fast and easy. You know, some people take these kits and they make them into designing their own cards and stuff. And sometimes I do, but most of the time I just make the cards and use them because it's just like I said, it's really nice to have a project done that you don't have to think about. All right, and so on this one takes sticky strip too, which I find it interesting. They're using so much sticky strip. And then we're going to use a butterfly, so a foil butterfly, and then in this one, all those ready. All right, I'll move those back. So here's my card base. Here is this triangle piece, which is going to go right here. Move this back into the camera here. And then I think I'm going to put this piece down first. Aren't they pretty butterflies? Oof. And then this one's going to come in here. All right, so there's your card base, and then we're going to do a little stamping. Let me grab my basic gray ink, which I probably should have re-inked before I got started, but and get my stamps. Sometimes your stamps, when you first get them, they have a little coating on them. So you know, you might want to clean them or rub them with your finger. That will just get some of that coating off. So they'll ink up better. I'm going to put this one as Surrounding You with Love because I need a sympathy card. I'm going to ink it up with gray. I'm actually going to stamp it down here because I want to see. Oh yeah. I just want to make sure that my basic gray was actually inked up good enough. So I'm just going to stamp this right onto this tag. Pull this up. And then we'll come in with a little sticky strip. How pretty is that? Really a nice looking card. There's card number 2. So card number 3 comes in with this base. And also on here, they tell you exactly what colors are used. So let me find the instructions. Down here on your sheet, it tells you what colors coordinate. So it's basic beige, which is a new color coming out. That's this color. It's very pretty. Basic gray, Lost Lagoon, Moody Mauve, and Champagne. So you will know, again, Lost Lagoon, that's what I've been using for everything lately. So this card is going to use this base, which isn't that pretty. They're already printed on there. And then, drop my instructions. This time we're going to use a bunch of butterflies. And so I'm going to reach over here. I'll take these big butterflies off because you get extra product too. So this is just a whole sheet of die cut butterflies. And you have extras. So in the end, you can always add more or into the inside of your cards or make different cards. So I'm just going to pull those 5 little butterflies off. And then this one's going to get dimensionals. These little dimensional tapes are all over my house. In fact, my kid's little dog the other day came up with one on the end of her nose. So we'll go ahead and take those tapes off. And then add this to the card base. It's really pretty. This is really a pretty card kit. And then we're going to add these little tapes to these tiny little butterflies. They're so little. Okay, so those are ready to go. Now I'm going to do the stamping of this label. So this is actually the basic beige color. And I'm going to use the same stamp. I could the other cards I'll probably do differently, so I have all different kinds of thinking of you and sympathy. Surrounding you with love. Stamp that in the basic gray. This is going to get put on with dimensionals. So I'm actually going to put the label on first and then add in the butterflies around it. So I know exactly where I want them. So this is going to go on here. And then pull off the backs of that. And add my butterflies. There we go. It's all sticking to my fingernails. There's that one. Oh, I see I was supposed to stamp. Darn it. Looks like I'm supposed to stamp a big butterfly here, and I didn't do that part. So, let me grab the stamp set. I didn't even notice that when I first was looking at these cards. And take this stamp set. So like I said, you can rub it with your fingers to get the coating off of there. You can wash them. Sometimes they just stamp better. Think I can pull this off? Yeah. I'm going to stamp this butterfly. And then put the label back on. Pretty. It's funny how that gray butterfly just adds a little bit more to it. So these are the cards. I did surrounding you with love. I'm always here for you. I've got 6 more that I can do in different things. And then the envelopes. Really pretty. So this is a great step, and it sounds to me like there might be the possibility of extra kits. The only way that you can get the extra kits is if you are a Paper Pumpkin subscriber. So watch for those new the kits coming out probably Monday, tomorrow, if there's extras. This is a beautiful kit, and it would be really fun. These bases are just really a lot of fun to put together. So that's Paper Pumpkin. If you're interested, there's a link down below in the description on how to get that kit each month. Thank you, and have a great day. So that's Paper Pumpkin. It's really super simple. It's a lot of fun. They give you really good directions, and it's just a great project to do by yourself or with friends and family. But it gives you a real variety of cards to have for the month. So the description down below has a link to sign up for Paper Pumpkin, and then there's also, like I said, there's prepaid subscriptions where you can purchase it for somebody else or purchase it for yourself, and then you get a link in an email to sign up for it. So that's all I got for you today. Have a great day. Thank you very much.